Hey, it's Lindsay again. I just wanted to give you some more tips and tricks about how to reduce waste. I usually leave for the day and I need everything with me on the go. So I just want to go through kind of what my checklist is when I head out and see if that can be helpful information for you. With a change in behavior, it's shocking how quickly you can have your mental checklist of everything that's in your little tote bag and then be able to avoid most of what you would usually buy in the day. If there's ever a day you forget, be kind, forgive yourself, and just try again the next day. We're not striving for perfection, we're striving for progress. So every morning when I'm packing my tote for the day, I have my mental checklist of 3. I make sure that I have my water cup or water bottle, my coffee mug, and my reusable lunch box. I use this to pack my lunch, or if I don't pack my lunch and I'm planning on eating out, I just grab it so that I can, wherever I am, ask them to put the food in there. Some places will allow you to do that, some won't. As a lot of you know, we're creating a system so that you can essentially rent containers at those restaurants too. So if you're in San Francisco, you might have that option for dispatch. So packing my lunch. If I'm packing my lunch for the day, easy peasy, put my peanut butter and jelly sando, which is what I eat way more often than I should, into this. This is a nice container. It's made by Vessel, which is a company out of San Diego. It's stainless steel base and then it has a silicone lid. Silicone is non-toxic, so that's really important. I know some of you probably have plastic Tupperware from your past. Don't throw away those plastic containers. I don't like eating out of plastic because of the BPAs and the bisphenols that leach into your food, but do you need those for beads or for old photographs? There's a lot of purposes that you can use those plastic containers that you used to use for food, and repurposing is a major part of living like a waste-free or waste reduction lifestyle. So package my sando in here, maybe some nuts, and mason jar works great. This is the old jelly jar. Again, like most mason jars, you do not need to buy new. Enough of our food still comes in mason jars that you can just repurpose. And maybe an apple. And then cutlery, may not need with my lunch today, but I usually just throw it in there out of habit. This is nice because it's bamboo. There's even a straw cleaner in there. But this has the whole set and it's super cool because then you just wrap it up and you have the whole thing ready. Okay, so then I just grab my tote. This is just repurposed from Rothy's, which are shoes made out of recycled plastic bottles. Again, I like to avoid buying products whenever I can. So I pack it all up. And lastly, we don't buy paper products. At this house, we have enough napkins that double as paper towels, and then napkins as well. So there are some things that I own and I like to buy even if it's used that really bring me joy. And I feel like the feeling of eating and using a cloth napkin is so much better of an experience than using paper. So it's shocking once you have like a little added detail, like a nice cloth napkin in your lunch, like how the experience changes for you. And I feel like we've lost a lot of that in that the hustle bustle of like single-use culture. So I recommend, especially you can find these at garage sales or thrift stores, or even if you buy them new, buy out of like organic materials or potentially upcycled materials. If they bring you joy, your likelihood of utilizing these and being excited about replacing your single-use products will be higher. So anyways, this is my day bag and it gets me through 95% of what I need in the day most days. And anyways, thanks for watching and good luck.